Hi guys, welcome back to Hanging Out with Lori. I'm Lori. If you're new here, welcome. I'm sure glad you're here, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. It means the world to me. I say that like every video, but I truly mean it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much. Today, as you saw in the title, we are going to do our BoxyCharm unboxing. I received it early this month. I usually get it the last week, sometimes the last day of the month. And so I think I got this, I don't know, maybe the 10th, maybe even less than. So I was pretty surprised. BoxyCharm is a subscription box that costs $21 a month. Usually it has 5 to 7, I think. Full-size items. I think they say 5 to 7. Sometimes we do get deluxe sizes, but that's okay. There's usually so many full-size items. A little deluxe item is no big deal, in my opinion. Now, sometimes BoxyCharm is great, and sometimes it's not so great. So, like anything, there's hits and misses. Regardless, you can usually find at least one thing in the box that makes it worthwhile. And it only costing $21. Usually the box retails for over $100. That's a great return on your investment. And if you like beauty boxes, and if you like beauty and you like makeup, you should try BoxyCharm. It's pretty awesome. Okay, Lori's gonna shut up and we're gonna dive into the box. This is it, and it comes with a card that tells us, oh, maybe I should hold it up right. It tells us every item that's in the box and the retail value for that box. And on the back is coupon codes. I will go over them in just a little bit, and I will also list them below. Now it always comes, and mine's all cockeyed this month, but it always comes with this foam on top of the product, so it is well protected, which I really appreciate. So, with all of that hullabaloo, let's get in to the box. Now, most of these items are going to be going to Jordan to try, and then she can review them for us. But the first thing we got is the House of Lashes, and it's in the Boudoir Light, I think. Yep. I have my glasses sitting right here. I have no clue why they're not on my face. But these are really pretty. If I wore lashes, I would try these. They're not overly dramatic, so I really like them. They are synthetic, but it says, if I remember correctly, because I can't really see, I'm just trying to see if I can make out certain words to remind me, that they are really soft and that they're reusable, so you get many uses out of these. So I think that's nice, considering the price of these. House of Lashes range between $9 and $12. I don't know what the Boudoir Light is at, but I think that's pretty expensive for lashes. I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can read you guys the rest of this stuff. Okay, the next one is actually one I am keeping, and it is the Ades New York Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. What it is a sweet almond cuticle oil. And I make my own cuticle oil, but I am excited about this. I want to try it. There is nothing wrong with trying new cuticle oils, especially, or you know, new items, especially because this is age defying. I don't know if mine is age defying, but this is it. It's a very nice sized bottle. I think it's, I read somewhere, it's 11 milliliters or 0.37 ounces. So that's quite a large bottle. So that is nice. Although I just noticed it looks like my, can you guys see that? My brush is all cockeyed. Now the price of the Desk Cuticle Oil is $18. Now the next thing is a company that I really like. It is Bang Beauty, and it is a gel eyeliner in, it's brown, but the name on the chart is Chocolate. Oh, would you like to see that? That doesn't give you anything, sorry. This is the color. I haven't touched it, but it looks like it's been touched. So I think that's kind of gross. But, and maybe it hasn't, maybe it's just settled. But look, it looks touched more than anything. But this is going to Jordan. I do like gel eyeliners. I just don't reach for them. So I am passing it on to her because she really likes them. They last longer for her in Hawaii. So it is going to her, not because I don't like it, but because I like her. Love them. If you have never tried anything from Bang Beauty, you need to check them out. This gel eyeliner is, my glasses haven't helped a bit in this, is $22. The next thing in this box, I love this company as well, is by Wander Beauty. It's the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and we got 3 of them, which I think is awesome. However, I do not like passing these on as well. Costs $13. Now I don't know that if it is $13 for one or $13 for the 3. We've got 2 more items. So how many is that so far this month? That's 4. So this is a pretty good month. The next one is by Smashbox. I was excited to see this. It's Always On Metallic Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bold Digger. I thought that was a cute little play on words. But this is the color here. It is beautiful. And let me swatch this for you. I have worn it. I love browns. You guys know how I love my brown lipstick. So that is it right there. It's very beautiful, very soft. It doesn't really have a scent. Do I have a Kleenex? Okay, I don't have a Kleenex, but I have a paper towel. Okay, let's try it. I'm not sure it's gonna go with my look, but hey, you guys like my nails? Kind of different, huh? It is a mixture of 2 of my Project polishers, so I really like it. Okay, there's a mirror right behind me, so that's why I'm looking there. I do like that the wand is shorter. It's easier for me to control. since I have control issues. And I got it on my teeth. Okay, it's not the best job, but that's okay, because I'll take it off. And I have it on my teeth. I do like the shape of that, you know. At least for me, a lot of them are flat. But that angle really helps. But the length, yeah, I may have to look into getting more of these Smashbox liquid lips, just because I like the length of the wand. It works for me best. So this is Bold Digger. All right, the price of the Smashbox, and it looks like people got different ones. The price is $21, so that one thing paid for the box. So basically everything else is free. Pretty nice. And the last thing, I was excited to get this. And yes, I have played with it a few times. It is this Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. It is cruelty-free, so that is nice. It has a full-size mirror in this little palette. But those are the colors. Isn't that just divine? I have made so many different looks with this, and I didn't think that this was something that I could even use, but I have made lots of different looks with this, and they looked appropriate for a 48-year-old woman. So I was pleasantly surprised. I told Jordan that I would give this to her because I have no, use for these colors, or so my brain said. But now I'm not sure I'm gonna give it to her, and she doesn't know that yet. So sorry, Jordan, if you're watching and I haven't told you yet. Let me swatch this really quick. Darn it, there's 6 colors and I have 5 fingers. So that's the palette. It's a party, and that's light, but it does darken up if you wet your brush and put it on. Damage Control, Karaoke, Dranks, Bottoms Up, and Hungover. So this palette is gorgeous, very pigmented, buttery. I'm not sure this palette goes with my lip though. I have not been able to make a look that goes with my brown metallic lip. So that's kind of disappointing that my lips do not work with my palette. But you can't have everything free, right? So the Party Animal palette by Laura Lee is awesome. Now the price of Party Animal, I already know off the top of my head, is $19. That is the BoxyCharm for August. I love that I got it as early as I did. I would really like to see that continue. What do you think of the BoxyCharm this month? All right, you guys have a great day. Take good care of yourself and those around you, and I will see you on the flip side.